Vean el negocio de Melissa, que ni los escalones se le ven.
Señores, Bellavista, la condición que está Bellavista, señores. Mire, sale calentado.
Red alert declared in Puerto Plata. Floods hit Dominican Republic amid heavy rain. Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, has been placed under a red alert due to heavy rainfall, while Atlantic coastal provinces are on yellow alert. The Emergency Operations Center, COE, issued the alerts following persistent rains caused by a stationary frontal system and east or northeast winds. Affected provinces include Puerto Plata, red alert, and España, María Trinidad Sánchez, Hermanas Mirabal, Samaná, and Valverde, yellow alerts.
Ay, hombre, mira, ya se metió.
Presidential Minister Ignacio Paliza reported over 500 millimeters of rainfall in Puerto Plata within 22 days, with 260 millimeters falling in the last 4 days. Forecasted rainfall totals of up to 90 millimeters are expected, increasing risks of flash floods, urban flooding, and overflowing rivers and ravines. COE urges citizens to remain informed, avoid crossing swollen rivers, and refrain from using spas in affected provinces. Local and national authorities, civil defense, and firefighters are mobilizing to critical areas to provide immediate assistance. The Presidential Social Plan and Economic Kitchens have been activated to support vulnerable families.